Alright, the next step for us is to customize the homepage of our store. By now, you may have already got an idea of the store editor, so let's move a bit faster and complete the homepage design. First up, we have this slideshow section. This is a nice place to add banners and mention your ongoing offers. However, we are making a one-product store. So, this is not very helpful for us. So, instead of this slideshow, I am going to show a video here. So, I will remove this slideshow section from here. Next, I will search for a video section. We have already tried the video section, so let's try this video slider section this time. This is generally used in the product page to showcase user-generated content, but we can also use it to showcase our promo video. I have deleted all the image slides and added a video slide. Next, from the right settings, I only need to select the video that I want to show here. Okay, the video is added here. Next, I will remove the title for this section. Next, you can see that there is space for 3 slides on the page, but I only want to show one video here. So, I will adjust the settings accordingly. I will also reduce the spacing to 0 so that it appears perfectly. For the desktop, I will select the full width option, and then I will preview the section in all 3 devices to make sure that the design is perfectly structured. Alright, the first section is complete now. Next up, we have the comparison table section. I will delete this section, as we've already covered this in the product page. Next up, we have this icon bar section. This section can be used to mention features and benefits about your product. You can even share some stats with your customers. Editing this section is very easy. You only need to replace these sample texts with our own content, and you'll be good to go. I have added some content using ChatGPT for now.
A few moments later.
I only want to show 3 columns here, so I will simply delete the 4th one from the left settings. And then I will change the number of columns to 3 so that it appears perfectly. Lastly, we only need to change these icons. If you click on any column, you'll be able to change the icon from the right settings. I recommend going to websites like Emojipedia, which contains thousands of emojis. I will search for coffee here. This will suggest some emojis. Next, I will simply copy these emojis and then paste it on this icon section. And as you can see, the emoji is visible as an icon. And now I will repeat the same process with other columns too. Alternatively, you can also access the Google icons if you click on this blue text. Here, you only need to search for anything you want. This will suggest some icons. Here, I will choose this coffee maker icon. Next, on the right side, I will scroll to the bottom and then copy this icon name. Next, I only need to paste this icon name in the icon section, and then the icon will be visible in this column. And just like this, another section of this page is complete. Now, let's move on to the next section, which is this results section. This is a perfect section to show the results that customers have gained after using your product. This is really beneficial if you are selling a fitness or beauty product. But for our product, this might not be a relevant section. So I will simply remove it from the page. Instead of this, I would like to add a featured product section in the home page. I will reposition it to the top of the page. Next, from the right settings, I only need to select the product for this section, and it will automatically show all the relevant info about the product. Of course, we do have the option to add more section here. For example, I can add this benefits block, which can be used to highlight the benefits of the product. Similarly, I can add any block from this list. For now, I will add this review avatar block as it will help with building trust with customers. I will position this to center, and now it is looking much better. I think this many changes are sufficient for this page. Overall, our homepage design is also looking good. So I will simply click on this Save button to save all the changes we've made so far. And with this step, the designing part of the store is almost complete. Now we only need to go through each page and confirm that every section is mobile-friendly and make sure that all the buttons and links are working fine.